Tired of constant Discord notifications? If you want to mute a server and stop receiving alerts, here's how to do it. Start by opening the Discord app on your device. Next, select the server you want to mute. At the top of the screen, tap on the server name to open the menu. From here, find and tap on the Notifications option, which looks like a bell icon. Now you'll see different mute duration options. 15 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until I turn it back on, which mutes it indefinitely. Choose the option that works best for you, and your server notifications will be silenced. If you ever want to unmute the server, just return to the same menu and tap Unmute. And that's it. No more unnecessary alerts. If this tutorial helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.